In primetime news this evening, former Prime Minister weighs in on dual citizenship saga.
Central Manchester MP Rhoda Moy Crawford shuts down rumors about her personal life.
And University Hospital of the West Indies responds to claims that a health minister received special treatment after crash. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, of course, I'll have your usual Wednesday fixed gas prices, and you want to stick around for that. But also, after the incident that happened in February at the Ocherous Pier, what's the latest on that? Well, the Port Authority of Jamaica gave us the details, so stick around for that in the business day.
Thank you, Keys. And Jermaine Brown I think this is about the stadium, but not about athletics?
No. Football this time. Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the Reggae Boys will have lots of light for the World Cup qualifier tomorrow at the National Stadium. Lots of sunlight, that is, as the match has been brought forward from 6:30. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Well, will it cooperate? Will it be sunlight? That's the question.
Well, Romaine is here to tell us. Will it be sunlight, Romaine?
For tomorrow, there's a good chance that there will be. We do have a slight drying across most of the central Caribbean, so we're not expecting significant, very heavy showers for tomorrow across the east. But on Friday, we are expecting much of that rainfall and showers as well as thunderstorms to return.
So weather will cooperate. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what has been your experience using ride-sharing services like Uber and InDrive?
Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.